Hey, I'm about to show you 5 tactics that scam Forex brokers would use to get you. It doesn't matter if you've been trading for years or if you're just thinking about getting into Forex trading. Listen, it's honestly worth knowing, and it's going to make the scammers real angry. So just in case this video gets banned, give us a like first and add it to your favorites so you can come back to look for it when you need it. You ready? Let's go. Tactic number 1 is unrealistic promises. Scam brokers, they're often going to promise you these unrealistic returns like 100% or even 1000% in a short period of time. Listen, it's not possible. Forex trading is like a high risk investment. No one can guarantee you profits. There is no such thing as a guaranteed investment return. Tactic number 2. Pressure sales. Another tactic that these scam brokers often use is pressure. They may call you constantly or send you emails or messages and offer you these special deals. And if you don't act fast, you're not going to get it. Don't fall for it. Don't let them get the pressure off you, and don't let them make you make decisions that you're going to regret.
Oh no! Damn it.
Tactic number 3. Hidden fees. Listen, scam brokers, they're often going to add in these hidden charges that you won't even be aware of. It could be the transaction fee from every trade you make, or charging tax-free when you want to withdraw the money from your account. So always read that fine print. Make sure you know exactly what you're paying for. Tactic number 4. Trading signals. Well, some scam brokers might offer you trading signals or expert advice to help you make better trades. But in reality, these signals are some random, and honestly, they're not going to help you make profits. So don't waste your time on something that just won't work. And finally, we have tactic number 5, unlicensed brokers. Honestly, there are so many out there, and this is the last one. It's the easiest way for a broker to scam you, because it's unregulated. That means they don't have to follow any rules or regulations, and they're just going to disappear with your money with no consequences. So always make sure that the broker you're dealing with is licensed and regulated by the appropriate authorities. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys won't be needing this, but just in case this video gets banned, give us a like first and add it to your favorites so you can come back to look for it when you need it. Stay safe out there, traders.